Right, hi everybody, welcome back to another one of my videos. My name's Steph and this is part 2 of my daughter's 15th birthday cake. Hopefully you've seen the first one. If not, I would suggest you watch that one first before you watch this one. Let's get going. Right, as you can see, I've got my stuff ready. My big rolling pin, some fondant icing from Tesco's. You don't need to buy any fancy stuff. This stuff's as good as the Posh makes. Okay. Right. We should need it. So I've washed my hands in case you're wondering. Alright. Need your icing. I'll show you how these things are quite handy. Right. Just roll out. When you come back, don't roll, just bring it back. Okay, only roll one direction. Till you get roughly, I mean, I haven't got a huge cake, and I probably have got quite a lot of icing here. Put your measuring things down the side, and then when you roll again, it won't let you roll any lower than the height of these, okay? So you can't make your icing any thinner than the thickness of these metal sticks, okay? They are quite handy because if you make your icing too thin, that's when it tends to split. Alright? Right, and that's about big enough. Right, and then what you do, you pick it up using your rolling pin, okay? See? Okay, I'm going to bring the cake over. Try to put it roughly in the middle so you cover most of the cake like that. Cool, okay? This just helps it go on easier. Push down the sides. Okay. Now when I cut off the extra icing, I do use a pizza cutter. I think a lot of people that make cakes do. It does make it quite easy. Just got to try and find mine. Bear with. I didn't find it. Right. Now, just don't have to take it right to the edge if you don't want to start off with. You take a little bit off if you're a little bit scared about cutting off too much, which you might be if it's one of the first times you've iced a cake. Where bits that you might need to cut off a little bit more. Right. Most of mine looks pretty good. I've got a little bit excess there. Right, and there's a touch there. Needs to come off. Right. And now you finish your cake. Doo-doo. Just going to smooth it down a little bit more. Right, next I'm going to make myself some runny icing, okay? Not too runny, but reasonably runny. I've got me icing sugar in my bowl. Alright, all I'm going to do is add some water to it and some black icing water to start off with. Right, let's move my cake over this way a bit so you can a little bit more. Get a spoon. I think I might put too much water in it. We shall see. Look, okay, it's sort of runny but also gloopy, which is what I want. Okay, right, I've got black. I want some black food colouring. I'm gonna add a few drops. You can always add. Bag. So roll your piping bag over. There is a reason. I think it still might be a bit runny. I want it to be runny, but not. That much in, and always put some more in. Like I say, I always make a mess. It's just me. Right, now I'm gonna get my cake. I've got icing on my fingers now. I'm gonna get my cake. Now I want it to run down the cake. Okay. If you know what I mean. That's why I wanted it slightly runny. Sort of. Of a mixture of runny things as well, not all the same depth of run, if you know what I mean. Like that. Okay. them are still running, which is good. I don't mind them running right down to the bottom. Spin it around, see if it's like you want it to be. It's pretty good to me. Yeah, quite pleased with that. Okay, I will let it dry and I'll show you what I want to do next. Now, as you can see, it's all dry now. Okay, next step will be to make some red roses. I have some flower modelling paste that I'm going to use to make flowers. Okay, I also have a blossom cutter in a few different sizes. Okay, right, the flower paste has gone quite a nice colour. I'm not going to make too many roses. It's only going to be a couple, maybe 2 or 3. Right, first thing to do is pull off a little baby bit, right, and make this into a bit like a teardrop shape. Okay, this is going to be the part that you wrap your rose petals around. Okay, might make that a little bit smaller because I only want quite small roses. Alright, then use your little rolling pin to roll out your modelling paste. Okay, so roll it reasonably thin. Alright, yeah, I'm going to have this size one next. Press it down. Sometimes they're a bit of a pain to get out. Right, then I'm going to use my modelling tool to shape my petals. Just roll the tool over the petal. Okay. Until it looks a bit like this. You can make them thinner than that. I think they could do with a little bit thinner. I'm going to roll it over just a little bit more. Right, then get your glue, dab a bit right in the middle, and then get your teardrop and stick that in the middle, and then what you do, you fold up your petals. Okay, you might need a little bit more glue right on the edge of the petals. Alright, like that, and then just fold up your petals around your bud or your having a bit of trouble with me bud. That's better. Until it looks a bit like that, and then you just add some more petals to it. I'm going to make a couple of these. Right, I see in the part 2. Hopefully you'll come back to see part 3 where I do all the little fancy pieces on the top. Bye bye, bye bye.